English. My name is Viviana, and today we're going to be looking at how to use must. Now, must is something that is a requirement. So here we have the word must, and we have, right, requirement. That means that it is something you need to do, something you have to do. There is no yes, no, no, it is only that. That is how we use the word must. Here we have two problems. My first problem is I broke my leg. What must I do? One thing is you must go to the doctor, right? I can't just go home and be like, I'm fine, right? I can't, right? My leg is broken. So I have to put you must go to the doctor. You must go to the doctor. I need to do it because my leg is broken, right? Now, if my leg is broken, I can be like, I'll go to work or I can run. No, right? My leg is broken. I broke my leg. So right, still, you giving me the advice, you giving me the requirement, you say, you must not. You must not run, right? You can say, she must not run. He must not run. If it's two people, they must not run, right? You can just change it. You can change the subject. Everything else stays the same. This you can change. But must is something that you have to do, right? I cannot run because I have a broken leg. So it is very important that I do not run. But it is very important that I do go to the doctor. If I don't go to the doctor, my leg is never going to be healed, okay? That's for a serious problem. And we also have problems like I have little money, right? I don't have that much money. So what must I do, right? I can say, she must save. So I can say she, which is me, right? She must save her money, or Viviana should save her money. If I don't have that much money, I need to save it, or I need to keep it so I don't have no money, right? I need to have some money, so I need to save my money. If I have very little money, can I just buy anything? No, right? I have to be very careful with what I buy. So I can say, she must not buy toys. Are toys important? No, right? So I must not buy toys with the little money I have. I must buy food. I must pay my bills, right? So here, this is something I cannot do if I have this problem. So must is a requirement, a form of advice when you have a problem. What is it that I have to do and what is it that I do not have to do? Okay, so it's just you telling the person that this is very serious and that they need to do this or not do this because it is going to help them or hurt them during their problem. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.